See, today we're going to read a story called Pete the Cat and His Four Groovy Buttons. I have a shirt with buttons on, just like Pete does. Do you have a shirt with buttons on? I wonder what this squiggly line is going to mean in our story. Let's see.
On his favorite shirt with
four
big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song.
My buttons, my buttons, my four groovy buttons. My buttons, my buttons, my four groovy buttons.
Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away.
That's what that squiggly line meant.
How many buttons are left?
3!
4 minus 1 equals 3. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no!
Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song.
My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons.
Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left?
2!
3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no!
Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song.
My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons.
Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left?
1!
2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no!
Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song.
My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button.
Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left?
0!
1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry?
Goodness, no!
Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? His belly button! And he kept on singing his song.
My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button.
I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no.
We keep on singing.
Did you guys like that book? I love Pete the Cat books. Look at all the other Pete the Cat books that we'll be reading throughout the week and maybe the month. There's a lot of Pete the Cat books out there. So when you go to the library or the store, you can maybe get one of these books to read with your family. Did you also notice that in this particular book there was math? Math is fun. In this book they had the buttons, and I saw on one of the pages pages a subtraction. 4 minus 1 equals 3. Do you remember that? When one of his buttons popped off, they said 4 minus 1 equals 3. He had 4 buttons. One popped off, and then he only had 3 left. That's called subtraction. That is math. Also, remember when we were first reading the story and I asked you what the squiggly line was? Does anybody remember what it was? It was when the button popped off. And that's how the illustrator showed the button pop off. It says pop, and the button came off, and then we did the subtraction. And at the end, he changed his song. Did you remember when he changed his song? What did he change his song to? He had no more buttons, but he had one special thing that he sang about. It was his belly button. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this book today. Like I said, we're going to read a lot more Pete the Cat books in the future. Goodbye. See you next time.